Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation for Modern Economics SSF 1074. We are from Group 9 and our title is Livelihoods of Vegetable Farmers in Kampung Anak Kurau, Batu Kurau Perak and Kampung Sungai Tiseh, Bintulu, Sarawak.
The aim of this study is to understand the livelihood of vegetable farmers. To conduct this study, we use two villages. The first village is Kampung Sungai Tiseh, Jalan Ulu Sebau, Bintulu, Sarawak. And the second village is Kampung Anak Kurau, Batu Kurau, Larut Matam, Perak. To get more information about these two villages, we interviewed, the first one is Tuai Rumah Unji as the headman of Kampung Sungai Tiseh, and the second one is Encik Suhaimi as the headman of Kampung Anak Kurau. From the interviewing session, we knew that the river at both villages, which is Sungai Tiseh and Sungai Kurau, are the main source of water for the villages. They use the water for their daily life activity and also economic activities. For example, when they use the water when they are cooking, washing, and also they go fishing at the river and watering their plant at the farm. In this study, we also interviewed 20 respondents that are vegetable farmers to know about their activities and types of vegetable they planted. For Kampung Sungai Tiseh, they plant cangkuk manis, sayur timun, cili, kacang bendi, sawi, keladi and others. For the Kampung Anak Kurau, they planted bayam, sawi, cili, ubi keledek, serai, terung, pegaga and other vegetables.
Following that, we look at why respondents were active in vegetable growing. This figure shows that 7 people, in bracket 35% of the total, began vegetable cultivation as a hobby. People chose a passion as their reason for retiring, being retired, and being a source of living income throughout the interviewing process. Vegetable gardening is the source of income for the remaining 4 people, in bracket 20%. It benefits them to generate more income, to live life comfortably by being involved in vegetable farming. The number of people who prefer to grow vegetable and have spare time, which is 2, in bracket 10%. Another 5 people, in bracket 25%, responded that they are involved in vegetable farming because of a friend, trying new things, the rise of vegetable prices, the least involvement in pegaga plantation, and applying information from a foreign country.
Next, I will talk about one of our focus in this research is the government assistance. Based on the figure, 20% of the respondents received the government assistance and 80% of the respondents did not receive any government assistance. 4 of them who received the government assistance are from Kampung Anak Kurau, Batu Kurau, Perak. The farmers get government assistance such as land grants, machine, fertigation system and iron use in farming. The organization that aid those farmers are the Farmers Organisation Authority, that is Lembaga Pertubuhan Peladang, and the Rubber Industry Smallholders Development Authority, RISDA. The total amount given to the 4 farmers is around 15,000 ringgit Malaysia to 18,000 ringgit Malaysia. 4 of them only receive one-time assistance. The 4 farmers expressed that after receiving assistance from the government, they no longer need to worry about the funds in vegetable plantation. They also said that the government assistance provide a lot for them, especially those who struggle at the beginning of the vegetable plantation. Besides, vegetable farmers from Kampung Sungai Tiseh, Bintulu, Sarawak did not receive any government assistance. According to Tuai Rumah Unji, vegetable farming is one of the economic activities among the villages and they are only smallholders farmers. It is one of the reasons they did not get any government assistance. Another reason is that Government of Sarawak concentrates on improving access to electricity, communication, clean water, education and health service in the rural and remote areas.
Last but not least, the figure shows that 70 respondents disagreed that the COVID-19 has been impacting the vegetable farmers. Meanwhile, 30% of the respondents agreed that it has been impacting them. For example, the impacts on them are such as the rising price of fertilizer, bad business, and also the rising price of plantation equipment. Based on the interview session, the farmers also faced big problems in the vegetable farming, which is their crops are damaged by the insects. In addition, difficulty in seed breeding, soil lack of nutrition, flood, always need to monitor their crops, high humidity, growth of fungus, crops damaged by wild animals, and lack of worker are another problem that vegetable farmer faced. To solve this problem, the farmer will apply insecticide on the crops to prevent insects from coming and take more time on monitoring their crops, build up fence to avoid wild animals, and apply animal pest. Also, the farmers hope that the government will provide more support to them, and they wish the government agencies will raise the incentive to smaller farm and increase more assistance in their farming.
In conclusion, the vegetable farming is beneficial to humans, especially as a supplier of food and food security to humans. The lack of channel assistance to small farmers or small hotels limits them to large quantity of vegetable farming. Farmers can earn auxiliary income through vegetable farming. Thus, the agricultural sector pressure will be less favorable to the country economy. A good and growing economy has a positive impact on the country, but in certain sectors such as agriculture, many farmers are still not exposed and the isolation will have an impact on the country. The vegetable farming is very important to our country. The rise in vegetable price has also increased as the country economy is unstable due to higher inflation affecting farmers. The influence of policies or assistance or incentive should be established or further enhanced for farmers, especially farmers who are among rural areas. Thank you.